Hello everyone. I hope I'm audible. Okay. Hello learners. So for this week, I'm trying direct YouTube live. So if anybody wants to speak, they can add them into the call, into the stage. If you have any questions, we can add that particular person on the stage and we can have a discussion. Okay, let me share this link, StreamYard link to join as a presenter. And if anybody wants to have a discussion with me, they can join. So I have shared the link in the Discord server, okay? So you can check that link to join on the stage to have a discussion. Okay, Rehan, I joined. Okay, let's take couple of minutes because this is first time we are trying on StreamYard. So people might take some time to join. Okay. Hi, Sajid. If anybody wants to get added on the stage, let me know in the comments or if there is any option. You can use that and just raise hand and I'll add you to the stage. Okay. Meanwhile, just a quick intro for um, someone who is very new to the community and to the community call. So uh, we we run this community call every Sunday 9 p.m. IST, and we discuss everything about DevOps, SRE. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Okay, it can be related to Docker, Kubernetes, career guidance, interview preparation, season one, season two challenges, or roadmap. Yeah, okay. I've added Pulkit on the stage. Pulkit, you can unmute and ask your question. I'll add Ryan as well. Only if you have question, then only we will add you to the stage. Otherwise, you can listen listen to the conversation. Okay, I have added Aman as well because he have some question.
Hi Sagar, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Hi
How
Aman,
are you doing?
I'm doing really good. How are you?
I am also doing good. So actually I have questions related to career guidance. So I
Hmm.
have working as DevOps engineer from last 3 years. So currently I am trying to get job in foreign and still my resume is not getting shortlisted. I have tried many things. Like currently ATS score is also fine, more than 80. So if you can tell some tips, or you
For
can
which,
go through my resume.
yeah, we can go step by step. For which country you're trying currently?
Portugal and Russia.
Okay. How is the
Yes.
market? So,
Market is
have,
good there in only those countries. In
hmm,
Germany and UK, the competition is so much, so I'm not trying there. And as you know,
yeah,
US is not good anymore.
yes, correct. Okay. So, did you get any feedback from any recruiter why it is happening? Maybe there.
And no, like I have more than 50 or 60 connections, and I have
Hmm,
asked them if they can provide feedback. They just say your resume looks fine.
hmm, correct. But
And
it's
yes, one feedback I got from one of the experienced person. He told that you should be yourself in resume. Like I am using some kind of buzzwords maybe, so that's why he said. But he said that you should be yourself. You should present yourself what you actually are as a
so. Do you
person.
ask them for referrals or how is it? What is the process you follow currently?
Currently, like I am just searching jobs on LinkedIn. I don't apply on easy apply button. Most of the
Hmm,
times I go on career websites and apply there.
okay. And do you get rejection emails at least?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
all of them. They just say like currently we cannot forward with your resume. Like let me
Hmm.
see and tell. Mm, one moment. Thank you for applying. We appreciate your interest and dedication. Our talent acquisition partners have been. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. You're audible. What happened?
Hello?
Hey, hi, Aman. Am I audible? Or it's my issue?
Yes, now you are audible, but
Hmm. Okay, go ahead.
okay. Okay, so I was reading rejection email. So should I
Yeah.
read or
So it's a
okay?
standard rejection email, right? So it doesn't have, it's not
What's
anything to do with
that?
your Portugal or all those countries. It's a standard rejection email, yeah, you'll get even in India or any country. So what you can do differently is that try to get referral. Um, but for outside countries, the process is little tougher because they prefer local candidates or someone who already have visa. Uh, so if you can get that visa, then well and good. Even if you tell them, this is my experience and what I have learned from my friends and connections. Even if you tell them that I'll take care of visa, that doesn't work for them. Um, they need to be in that state um, where they can provide you proper visa from their end as a company. So that's the thing. So if you should keep on trying and try to get directly reach out to recruiters and strong connections
Mhm.
in those companies if you see. Otherwise, directly applying through career site may not work. I mean, it's very rare that you will get some positive response from outside jobs. Other
Now
thing
I'm
which you
tired.
can do
Like I
is
have applied more than 200 application and
it's
not a
okay.
single one shortlisted.
Hmm. So it's not anything to do with your again with your resume, but the process for um, what do you say, like the jobs which are outside, it's little tougher. Even if I start applying, I'll also get rejections. So then that's a reality, at least currently in this market. So you need to keep on trying or build something, automation which can do all this work on behalf of you, and you won't even get those rejection emails, thinking that you are wasting your time. So build some automation. Whenever that automation sees any opening for your um, dream countries like Portugal or Russia, then that bot will automatically apply from their career site. And
I
maybe
can.
uh, that will also that bot can also give you some strong referrals from LinkedIn, if like get a list of people who are working in that company right now at higher
Mhm.
level, and then you can take a next stage.
Okay, I can create automation for all those things. Sending
Sure.
personalized messages.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah,
You
I
keep a
will do
track
that.
of all the companies, at least target. If you see someone from India who is working there, you can talk to
Mm.
that person and try to understand what's the process, how did they got job outside India in that particular company, um,
Mhm. Some
and
of the
try.
recruiters, like I have talked, they said
Mm,
that you should have at least 5 years of experience. Then only companies may consider for visa process. For 3 years, it is really tough.
hmm. Yeah, that
So,
can also be
what do you
another
think?
reason.
Should I apply in India, or should I at least try again?
Yeah. Anyways, you should keep on trying. You never know when will your luck shine, and maybe you will be the first person that recruiter know that even you have 3+ years experience, they still um, give you that opportunity. You never know. You should keep on trying. Don't lose hope.
Okay.
Try to be little smarter and use automation to do your manual work, so you won't even get disappointed by those rejection emails. Like, yeah, try to shift that
Mm.
manual
Thanks.
work to the automation. Yeah.
Thanks for the encouragement. So, like, can
Are you the
you
same
review my
Aman
resume in free time? Yes,
uh,
yes.
who is following
Who is
those season
sending?
twos?
Yes.
Yeah, great, great. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.
So I have
So, can you
time and
review
we
my
can
resume
review.
once?
Yes,
Mhm.
yes, we can do that. If you can share your screen, we can quickly review your resume.
Okay, I can. One.
Is I'll add one person at a time to the stage. Let me finish Aman's question and then I can add.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, yes. Let me go through it. Can you zoom it? Yeah, yeah. This okay. Just hold on to it. Okay. Email ID, mobile number, LinkedIn address, open to relocation. Hmm. Okay. Can you scroll down? Okay. So you're currently working in HCL. Hmm. Hmm. You should highlight some of points in the work experience.
Like highlight means yellow,
No, just bold, bold, which you feel like
okay, bold font.
recruiter should.
Hmm.
Yeah, if you make that bold, it will be later easier to notice those keywords and skim through your resume faster.
Okay, I
Mhm.
will do that.
Okay, so automated database backup, server maintenance, and monitoring with Bash slash Python, saving 15 plus hours per month. Standardized server setup using Ansible. Okay, security scans, cutting critical analysis. Mm,
Like after doing so many changes, this is the final one.
yeah, okay.
I have these certifications as well.
hmm Uh, Resume is good. There is no issue with that, and you have already added all the keywords and the tech stack usually DevOps engineer works with. So this is okay. So the issue is not with your resume.
Okay, so I should not just focus on my resume. I should focus on getting referrals and leads on LinkedIn.
Yes, strong referrals, and it takes time.
Strong
It
referrals.
again, yeah, it's not again nothing to do with your Portugal or Russia. It's the same for
Mhm,
India. People won't refer you until they know you personally, or you keep you stay in touch with them, have some bond,
mhm.
then only
Like
they will refer.
I have a problem with like I am not able to talk to strangers in very like you are understanding about my point. If you can share some tips like how to connect with
It's
strangers and ask for referrals.
okay. That needs another video, definitely. But what I do is that, and yes, definitely one tip I would share, don't say hi, hello, and then wait for them to reply. Whatever
Mhm.
you want refer, right? If someone is approaching me
Yes.
over the LinkedIn and saying hi, hello, definitely I know they want some help from me. Then are not why they are not telling me in the first place itself? If I have hundred of messages and see, it's my good part that I'm replying to everyone, but it's not the same
Mhm.
case with others. So you need to understand. And whenever you are approaching to anyone, use ChatGPT.
Mhm.
You can use Copilot. Ask Copilot to give you a proper LinkedIn message, which will have all the
Mhm.
details about you,
Like
which pros.
l- let me share one of the messages that I normally use. Okay, so
Okay,
you can provide suggestion. I have pasted on chat.
okay, private chat. Yeah,
I normally use this kind of template.
no, this won't
No.
work. No, I'll tell you the
Okay.
another problem with this. What you are asking her is that if she have any open roles, then she should
Mm.
help you to get referral. But just imagine if I'm meeting 200, 300 people in a day, and if I'm getting 100 plus messages, same messages, everyone is asking, find a job for me. No, it's not my
Mm.
duty to do that work for you. You want a job, you need to go to the career site. You know which company I'm working with. So you need to go to my career
Mhm.
website. You need to find which is the correct role for you. Give me that job ID, give me your resume. If I feel like you are the good candidate, then I'll refer you. But at least complete your
Mhm.
due diligence. In the same message, you need to provide a job ID. You need to put what challenges particularly you have solved as a good DevOps engineer, right?
Mm,
This doesn't tell me anything about your qualities. It's only you are only mentioning the AWS, Terraform, CI/CD you have worked with. But it is same with everyone else as well. Every DevOps engineer knows AWS,
works with this.
Terraform. But what is Aman? Why I should refer Aman particularly out of those 100 candidates? That I want to know from you. So now,
Mm,
even if we have all the access to ChatGPT, um, then GitHub Copilot and many tools we have, but still we are not able to take a advantage of that. That's the problem. We are very lazy. That okay, this is a message I want, and you will keep on pasting same message to everyone, but
mm,
it won't work.
no,
Even think
I
like
am using many AI tools.
yeah. Yeah, but still
Like,
think like
mm,
if you are into their shows and if you are getting this message, would you refer everyone who is messaging you, or even will you
mm,
reply back to them if they are just saying hi, hello, and just waiting for you to reply back? No, you won't do that if you are getting too many messages or if you feel like the candidate doesn't deserve it. So you need to put very strong case for me why I should refer you, and that should be a first impression. With your first message itself, you should tell why, clear cut.
I need to
And
think like that.
after that, if someone is not responding, then that is okay. But at least you are doing your best to get that referral, right? That self satisfaction at least you will have. Um,
Okay,
so try to avoid
I
these
will improve
mistakes.
my message and mhm,
Yeah, there are a couple of tools you will know, or I don't know if I have shared in previous community calls as well, where
mm,
you can get a recruiter's email IDs from their LinkedIn profile. Then keep on sending cold emails to them. Not continuously, but once in a week you can keep on checking. Did they get a chance to look at your
okay,
message, or do they think that they can refer you? And the
mm,
third tip I am going to give you is that if you see a good opening in your dream company or any organization where you want to work on, then
mm,
don't be completely depend on one person. LinkedIn connection limit is
okay,
30,000. You can try to reach out to at least 5 to 10 people from same organization, right? That you can do for your future. So make sure you are
mm,
reaching out to multiple people from same organization to get that referral. At least out of 10, maybe one person can will reply you back with positive response. So try to follow that
got
process.
it.
Yeah. And
Okay.
fourth thing
So
which
now I will not send just random messages. I will make a
hmm,
list. Then I will make connections from that company.
yeah,
I will follow each step.
yes,
It's
correct.
good.
Four tip is many of people what do they is just send a message and forget about it completely, or send an email and forget completely about that.
Mm,
Create an Excel sheet, whichever companies you are targeting or for whichever companies you have reached out for the referral. Keep a track of all those companies and whoever you have reached out to first. And after a couple of days, you can take a follow up again. This always works because if someone is see, I am busy with lot of activities, and sometimes even someone is genuinely good candidate. Still, if it slips out of my mind to reply back, that can happen. It's human nature, right?
mm, yes.
Or it can happen. So as you need a referral, at least you need to give it try for 2 3 times. Try to get follow up from them if they got a chance from to look at your message or email. And after that, if they are not responding, then you can stop. You can try to reach out to some other folks.
Okay. I will
Yeah.
do that. Now I will make a proper Excel sheet and include all those steps.
Yes. You
Thank
already
you.
started getting a lot of attraction over LinkedIn because of your LinkedIn post. from season two.
Yeah,
That's for sure. Try to make a one weekly post to
okay,
showcase what challenges you have solved from Linux and networking and what is your learning. So that will also help you because if you are solving daily, because that shows your consistency and hunger to learn, keep on learning, upskilling.
right.
That's very good quality. So you can create a one post maybe on Saturday or Sunday to just summarize what are the challenges you have solved. And there, uh, again, I don't know, I don't, yes, Swayam is here, but many learners try to use ChatGPT even to write LinkedIn post. So try to avoid that. Let it
So
commit from
currently
your
what I'm
heart.
doing is,
Hmm.
first I draft everything, like what I have
Hmm.
learned, what I have done. Then I use Cloudy or Q&AI to see if I can get the good post out of this content.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
currently I'm doing this.
But the typing on LinkedIn, you need to do it. Matlab, you shouldn't copy the exact thing as it is on the LinkedIn post.
Yeah, I'm
That also
like I
reduces
am
your reach.
taking up, like I am pasting my draft on 3i models. Then I
Hmm.
found the most important points from all those. Then I write by
Hmm.
myself on LinkedIn.
Yeah.
Not I'm just pasting the whole post from one model and send.
Hmm. Yeah. Good.
So
Just a
this is
suggestion.
fine.
If you're not doing it, then good. Wonderful. Okay. Looking forward to hear some good news from you. Yeah.
Thank you so
Okay. Thank you,
much.
Aman. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye bye. Okay. Who is next? Who want to come on the stage? I can add you. Aman, I'll remove from the stage to make space. Any questions? Anyone? Okay. Pulkit, do you want me to add?
Hello.
Hey, hi, Pulkit.
Hi, sir. Good evening. I hope I don't have to turn the camera on. My camera is from the way I started it. Um, so,
That's okay with me.
yeah, I just joined this community 3 days back, and I
Hmm.
was very impressed to see like so many people working towards the same goal. So, just to give a brief background, I have 4+ years of experience as a DevOps engineer. Although my designation is software engineer, but I mostly work with DevOps technologies. So I am right now in a product-based company in Hyderabad, but just trying to discover new opportunities. For the last 6 months, I've been trying to find a new job here. And I although yeah I got some interviews as well with good companies like Pure Storage and Forward Networks, but I wasn't able to like crack them. So I just wanted to understand what else can I do to upskill myself to get more conversion ratios for my resume. Do I kind of need a certification in for like CKA or DevOps Professional AWS?
Um, no, but certification will come back to that point later. So you are saying you are getting a job interview calls, but you are not able to crack it. Is that correct?
Right. Yes.
Yeah, and you are software engineer. You are not DevOps engineer. You have not worked in production as a DevOps engineer. Is that correct?
So my designation is software engineer, but my day-to-day work is with DevOps.
I see. Okay. So what do you think? You have gone through the interview process for Pure Stage and Palo Alto. So what have you realized where you are lacking?
I believe it's mostly with not having experience giving interviews because this is I've been in the same company for last 3 to 4 years, so I haven't
Okay.
really given those many interviews. So I believe I need to give more mock interviews and just try to be have a good kind of communication, good kind of explanation to the questions they ask.
Okay. Okay. Why I asked because I thought you don't have any good projects or hands-on experience, but that's not a case for you, correct? It's more about communication skills or mock interviews. Just trying to understand your situation.
Yeah, even I don't even have many projects because I only work with the projects that company provided. I haven't worked on anything outside of that, so I don't have much to showcase
Hmm.
on the personal side.
Okay. Um, Definitely, I'm going to suggest you start solving season one challenges. There are very good projects. You can go through the entire list. There are 50 challenges we have designed for DevOps and SRE engineers, and it will cover everything and make you interview ready. Can you go through the list and start solving the challenges?
For sure, I'll do that.
Yeah, and you mentioned you have already joined the Discord server, so you can join the channel Season 1 DevOps Challenge. There you will get all the information. And yeah, so another tip which I'll give you from my experience is that if you are targeting any company, like dream company, never attend that interview in the first place directly. Like you should start giving the interviews from some other companies, for some other companies, where even if you get rejected, you won't mind that. And once you feel like you are ready with your communication skills and then um, all the answers, typical answers for most of repetitive jobs answer into questions, then you can schedule the interview for your dream company. That always works.
Right. Yes, I understood after giving interviews with like some big product-based companies. Um,
Yeah,
I'll follow that.
yes. The next tip which I'll give you is that we post a lot of openings for DevOps SRE engineers over YouTube as well. So you can start applying for those openings. There are some startups. So startups mostly try to grill you on every part of DevOps. It's not like for the standard big company. For startup, you will get tested on every part of DevOps process or SRE process, and there you will get a feel of working as proper DevOps SRE engineer. So you can start from there if you want. And even if you don't want to work in a startup environment, at least you can target those companies for the mock interviews, real mock interviews.
Right. Yeah. Right. It's a good advice. I'll follow that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Swam, do you want to add anything?
Hey, hi. Yeah, I would suggest like in product companies, you will not be working on multiple things. Like I don't work on network engineering part like VPCs and all, but I know how to create that. So
Hmm.
either you can target a startup, so you can work on everything and get a hold of everything. Like jack of all trades. Otherwise, if you are working in a company where everything is segregated, everything is, I mean, people are working in different places. So you will not get to hold of everything. So you have to create your own personal projects so you can get to know most of the things. Yeah, uh, just as Sagar said, similarly.
Yes.
Yep.
So in the interview, what happens? Let's say I am working on the observability stack, and I've been working on that particular project. So I try to ask the questions on that particular area as an interviewer because that's my, area of expertise. I don't care my candidate if he have the knowledge or not. That's based on my experience. I don't know about all of you, but they try to stick with what they have told, or either the second thing is area of expertise. And that has happened with even startup companies interviews where they were asking a lot of security based questions, certificates and secrets and secret management, IM management, and most of the things we don't work into our current company. That's the problem. That is why we have created these challenges where you will get a feel of working on most of the things and you will be interview ready.
Yeah, that does answer all my questions. I just had a follow up. So coming back to the point of getting a certification,
Certification, yeah.
um, so right now my main primary purpose for getting a certification was just to upskill myself in that particular tech stack
Hmm.
and
Okay.
get a hold of uh, like it'll also add to my resume. Um,
Okay.
so is it really that important, or will it work even if I have no certifications?
CK certification is fine, or Terraform certification is fine. You can go with the AWS solution architect. That is all maybe you need. Sometimes in the JD you will find written that they are looking for CK certified engineer. The internal criteria we don't know. It's for some of the JDs I have seen that they are looking for CK certified engineer. But personally, I don't have any AWS certification. Still, I got opportunities from every big company. It Now it depends on how much time do you have, how quickly you want to um, start giving the interviews or switch your job. If your priority is to switch the job, then you should not get into the certification preparation, because that will take most of your time and you will only focus on the Kubernetes in CK. That also don't cover every part of Kubernetes, I would say. It's still a exam. It's not a entire Kubernetes which gets asked into your interviews. So instead of that, focus on practical project, at least one or two projects which will give you everything about Kubernetes, Terraform, observability side, then scripting, Python. I hope it's clear. Hello.
I think
Yeah,
he's
that
saying
that does
something.
answer a lot of my questions. Thank you so much for your time, Sagar and
Yeah.
Sven.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a nice evening.
Okay, I can add next person on the stage. Okay. Do we have this learn DevOps and cloud? I don't think he dropped me. Anyone else have any question? We can add you to the stage. Hi Om. Hello. Mm. I can't add you because you need to connect your mic slash cam. That's the notification I'm seeing. Okay. Okay, I can add you now. Yeah.
Hello,
Hi Om.
I'm audible.
Yes, you are. Yeah, you are
I'm a
audible.
fresher. Currently, I'm in the fourth year of engineering.
Hmm.
No,
Hmm.
I'm in the fourth year of engineering, and I'm searching for a job role like in DevOps and cloud domain, and applying. I'm applying I have applied at many places, but I am not getting reply back from them. Like I have not getting any reward from them, positive reward. So
Okay, so
like in what way I can just apply? Yeah,
yeah, so you're saying you are applying for the job opportunity, but you're not getting any calls or any reply
yeah,
from the recruiter.
yes, yes.
So, first of all, what do you think? What is the problem?
Like maybe it can be due to I'm pursuing the bachelor degree right now. That might be the problem. I think so.
Okay. When did you join our Discord community?
I've joined the phone like from starting.
Okay.
Uh,
So, did
Over
you
on this
check
call
YouTube videos
from
as well?
that time I have
Okay, got it. Got it. Did you apply for any openings which I posted for freshers on my YouTube channel?
hello.
Am I audible?
Uh, 1 minute, one.
Yeah, you
Okay,
are
it
audible, man.
seems. I think it says audio is fine.
Sorry, my Bluetooth was disconnected. Sorry.
No worries. So I was asking, did you apply for the openings which I shared on YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have applied for Equinox and I got reply from them.
Hmm.
Like I got an assignment to do.
Then you are getting reply
Like
to the email.
this was the first reply. I have applied at many time before, but I'm not getting any replies. Like this is the first reply I got.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Correct. That's true. The openings for fresher are very less, and that's the same reason why I have started sharing openings on my YouTube channel. I don't know where you are applying or if you are applying for the correct roles or not. If you watch my videos properly, you will understand what is the proper process of applying for any interview process, any role, any opening. If you're applying for senior roles, then you won't get any reply.
Okay. Like I'm applying for the role where experience level is between 1 to 2 years or 1 to 3 years. Like I have worked on many freelance projects. Can
Hmm.
I just take it as an experience while applying?
No, I don't think that will get considered. I'm not a expert on that front, but you can try. If it is not working, then you should understand that recruiters are actually smart. They are not considering your freelancing project experience as actual experience because they want work experience.
Okay, so shall I add that experience in my resume or not?
You should add it as part of your projects or freelancing projects, but not as a work experience. You
Okay.
can you check with any recruiter if you know, or I'll check with recruiters in my connection
Hello.
and try to get try to get that information. Yes.
Can you just repeat what you said?
Yes. So
My
on
network
this
is a little
particular
bit.
question, yeah, sure. I can repeat. Yes. So I was saying either you can check in your connection and ask any of the recruiter that do they consider freelancing project work experience as a actual work experience or not, or if you don't have any connection, let me do that and I'll come back to you.
Yeah. I will check it.
Yeah. Yes, and
1 minute, 1 minute.
hmm, okay, if you
Hello,
are
hello.
busy we can
I'm
we,
really
we
sorry. I'm
can
really sorry.
yeah, no worries. If you're busy we can move for the next candidate because many are waiting.
Okay, okay.
Did you
I have
get the
one question.
answers?
I have one question. I have one question. Like in assignment, I got an vice cow problem statement. In that, they have shared the repository of that problem. In that only there is only a shell script file present.
Hmm.
So like I'm not getting like how to then dockerize and all. They have told to deploy it on EKS Kubernetes, and in that repository only an shell script file is present.
Um, Only shell script is present.
Only shell script is there. Like there is nothing code base or any other thing in that repository.
Hmm. Let's connect over the Discord, um,
Okay, yeah.
and share me what they shared with you, but not with everyone else. Just shared it in the DM. Okay.
Okay, yes, I
I
will. I will. I will.
I won't help you with the direct answer, but just a guidance on what may be missing, or you can ask them um, the right
Okay,
question in the email. Yeah.
okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you a lot. It will help me.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Okay.
Thank you.
Mm, okay. Gravity take. Okay. Gravity take. Okay. Anyone else have any questions? We can add you to the stage. Ankit. Okay. I can't see. Okay. Is it Ankit Gautam? Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible, Sagar?
Yes. Hi, Ankit. Good evening.
Yeah, hi. Actually, I have some different kind of problem right now I'm facing.
Hmm.
I'll start with that. Like, I had done my graduation in 2020. Then I
Okay.
moved towards UPSC CSE preparation. In that, I didn't get much success. Now, uh, uh, from last 6 to 7 months, I'm dedicatedly working on DevOps tools like all the tools like Docker, Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes, and cloud as AWS. I had gone through, and uh, the tutor which who had taught me all these things. Right now, I am managing his infrastructure. Like the whole infrastructure is based on Terraform and Terragrant and AWS. So this is the journey of my in DevOps. But
Hmm.
I am what I am facing as a fresher. There are very less vacancies, as well as I am not able to get the calls back. Uh, so this is the major issue right now I am facing. Till now, I had given only 2 interviews, in which I fumble a lot. Even if I know the answer, I am not able to convey it in a proper manner, in a technical words. So these are the challenges right now I am facing.
Yeah. So there is definitely truth on that story. The openings for freshers are very less. I'll agree on that. But yes, again, I'm repeating myself that for the same reason, to help freshers more, we have started sharing the job opportunities on our YouTube channel. Have you applied for any of those openings?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I had connected with you in about 4 to 3 days only.
Hmm.
Uh, that Equinox, I guess you had shared.
Yeah.
I had tried that also, but I didn't get the reply. Right now, I am going through the season one challenge of yours.
Hmm.
But in that, what I am facing is that you had given the challenge, I start googling it, and
Hmm.
uh, in the end, I end up in Chat GPT. So Chat GPT gave all the suggestions, and I follow it and I complete the challenge. But there
Okay.
is a blank in that. I'm not able to understand what I had learned in that. I'm just following the commands. So
Got it. Okay. So the problem is, it's not only you, it's with everyone. Whenever we, uh, after even we got introduced to ChatGPT, Copilot, Grok, and all other tools. So if we see the problem, we directly copy paste that into ChatGPT. So you need to stop that first, because during your interviews, you need to have the knowledge, proper knowledge. You need to tell them what are the challenges you faced. And if you start directly getting the answers from ChatGPT, that won't help. They have mentioned that in many times in our Discord as well. Don't give me ChatGPT answers. It's not for me, it's for you. So you need to be very truthful to yourself that you want to learn something. And you already mentioned in your introduction as well that you are working with some tutor where you learned AWS, Terraform, Kubernetes. You have the knowledge. Then why do you want to go to ChatGPT directly in the first place? If you get stuck, then you can take help. But getting started with a ChatGPT itself is not going to help you. So you need to stop that.
okay, then how do I go? I mean, the approach I should take. Like tomorrow, I will go for day 2 challenge.
Hmm.
Then how should I proceed without any AI tool?
No, you mentioned trade, so you already know the Terraform, AWS.
Yeah,
You have those concepts clear
yeah,
or not? Or not?
yeah. They are clear.
Yeah, then if you have the concept clear, then why can't you apply in the real problem?
Okay, actually, I'm not able to think how to approach the problem.
Okay.
So that's why.
Hmm. Take a full advantage of our free Discord server. We are 24/7 available. If you get stuck, then you can start asking the questions in the relevant channels. But you need to speak up. You need to tell us what problem you are facing.
Oh,
If some
yeah.
challenges are not clear to you, you can ask for the help. But
Okay, sure.
at least put some effort from your end before directly going to the charge pay. It's again up to you. You can lie to me again next time. Tell us that you have solved it on your own, but you're not lying to us. It's again you're lying to yourself because you're not upskilling. You're using some chat GPT, and that is blocking your upskilling part. So if
All
you
right.
get stuck or if you feel like, okay, this concept I don't know, you can go to Terraform, uh, learn about that particular concept, then come back and try to solve that assignment. Or you can use a chat GPT to understand that one concept and then try to solve it. But direct commands or direct code generation from chat GPT won't help you or anyone for that matter while learning at least. Once you're master, then you can start using those.
All right.
Yeah.
So, any suggestion on the how to get the reply from the recruiters?
When did you join this call? We already discussed
Uh,
that part.
yeah. I mean, the messages you are saying that you have to text something creative apart from the 100 questions, right?
Yes, we discussed a lot of things, how to approach to recruiters. I would suggest this video will be available on YouTube. You can just scroll back.
Okay.
We need to save some time.
All
Yeah,
right.
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else? Swam?
Yeah, Sagar. I specifically don't have any questions,
No, not
but
questions. Uh,
like,
how are you doing?
yeah, today we did some pest control. Since 2 days, I am doing pest control. There were a lot of cockroaches, and
Hmm.
today one of our fridge got. I mean, my roommate put a knife on that. What is that freezer?
Hmm.
So the gas got leaked. Then luckily, one of our friend is going to moving to Hyderabad, so he gave his fridge to us. So yeah, we saved. We are saved.
आज कुछ तूफान निकल दिया ऐसे क्या?
वो जा रहा ना उसका हो गया फैंग कंपनी में हो गया तो हैदराबाद निकल रहा
Nice.
है हमें पकड़ा के चला गया
Good, good. ठीक है. I don't see any questions, so we should wind up this call. Okay.
okay my question will be like AISRE like you are an AISRE as you wrote in your LinkedIn so
Hmm.
how do you think what should we learn to become a AISRE till 2026
Okay. I am also still learning. I'm
okay
using um, the features, AI features from all the tool stack which we are using currently. It's a Datadog, Dynatrace, Logic Monitor, some other tools. Um, yeah, so same SRE process, but using AI tools. And I need to make sure I don't use a lot of AI so that it will replace me in the first place. So I need to keep that balance as well. Let's see. I just started. I'm also learning. I'll share a proper roadmap for that. Again, it's same thing what we discuss for every other challenges as well, right? So many times we try to directly jump for the Kubernetes or any abstract tool, and we don't try to understand what happening underneath. So I want to learn the basics. I want to make sure I have a strong basics. At this point, I don't have any roadmap to share with you. Once I have it ready, then definitely I'll be happy to share with community.
Mm. Another thing
Yeah.
is I have seen a lot of people doing CK, which is good, but
Hmm.
that also not that doesn't seem to be production grade as well. There are a lot of concepts which it is missing. So what is your take on the certification? And I mean it is good, but for working in production, I don't think it's that much required if you have worked on that like you are a cubestronaut you have worked on those things like but I have seen like a lot of production related stuffs it is not in CK so what do you think shall I pursue it because it's 16,000 or 18,000 the certification cost so what do you think
Okay. This is going to be recorded, but that's okay for me. I always recommend doing CK if you have a budget. If you are
hmm
not getting it reimbursed, then even for the Capstone, even if you are
hmm
not getting reimbursed, then don't put that much money for the certification. Or
hmm
if you are not going for that Capstone title, okay.
hmm
Tabi. Otherwise, we ourselves have designed a lot of challenges for the
yep
production, and we know that those all those things are not there in the CK syllabus. CK also we covered
yep
in season one, right? So those concepts were not there, and the problem is many CK courses are aligned with on-prem Kubedium setup, even some big tutors as well, and it tries if I ask someone to apply the same concept in some other application, or in the production, they always fumble on that part. So
Hmm.
until and unless you are not interested to learn that concept in depth, and if you can't apply on any application, any service application, then it doesn't have any value. So yeah,
Hmm.
it provides you a structured path. Um,
Hmm.
for beginners, it's okay, but for if you have already worked on production grade applications, especially which are deployed on EKS, AKS, strong heavy applications, then for you it doesn't matter. Um, Only thing which will take you back to the certification is that whenever a recruiter is looking for CKS certified candidates. So,
Hmm.
huh. For that you can do CK, that is enough. Terraform certification if you want to do, and AWS Solution Architect. Three certifications are enough. I won't recommend anyone to spend money on the KCA, KCSA or KCNA because those are MCQ based questions. And
Hmm.
if you are targeting Kipstart, then go for it. Otherwise, no, no. It's totally no, no. Yeah.
Got it.
Mm. Okay, I think that is all for
Yep.
today. I have already started creating Linux bootcamp um, content, and the name which I came up with, Linux, the final boss, inspired by you.
Got it. Another thing, while taking the classes, make them like the question answer section should be at the end, so you can put it on YouTube as well. Always at the
Yes.
end. No one should be speaking in the middle.
Yeah.
And another thing, it should be 1.25x.
1.25x. Okay. They
Pace,
can
the
do it.
pace. Yeah, because
Mm,
most like there are like I speak really
mm,
fast. So I have to slow down. You speak a
mm,
little slow, so the
mm.
pace should be matching.
Yeah. 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 Okay. We'll keep that in mind. Sure. Thank you,
Thank
everyone. Enjoy your Sunday night. See you soon. Bye bye.
you. So